two most important wings of the Mauryan government were the departments of army and finance. We have already told that the Maurya Empire was largely carved out by their conquests, which required a very strong army. The Greek accounts told us that Chandragupta conquered many countries with an army of 600,000 soldiers, that is 6 lakh soldiers. This could be an inflated figure. Megasthenes' account gives us an impression that there were various units within the fighting force. The Patyadhaksha, Hastyadhaksha, Ashwadhaksha, Rathadhaksha, Navadhaksha. If there was a very strong army and also a very large number of royal functionaries, all this required an enormous amount of resources. So, the Department of Finance was of crucial concern to the Maurya realm. And this is where the Arthashastra throws considerable light, as one can understand easily. The Arthashastra has a very major thrust on the question of Artha, that is money, finance, material gains, etc. The Arthashastra lays down that there should be 7 heads of revenue, and the chief collector of revenue is an important officer of the realm named Samaharta, who should collect taxes from 7 heads. 7 heads are the diverse sources of revenue is recognized in this theoretical treatises. Megasthenes also suggests that not only the peasant but also different types of artisans and merchants as well as animal breeders, the pastoralists, had to pay taxes, possibly in kind, to the state authority. In one inscription of Ashoka, we come across at least 2 revenue terms, both related to land revenue. Land revenue indeed was the most important basis of the entire revenue structure of the Mauryas. If there was Samaharta looking after the collection of revenues from diversified heads, Kautilya recommends the appointment of Sannidhata, who functions almost like an accountant, the chief accountant of the realm. The Mauryan realm possibly had a very strong network of informers, spies. Megasthenes tells us that the most trusted persons in India were overseers, inspectors, whom he calls in Greek episkopoi, vid4. The most elaborate prescription of a spy network appears in Kautilya Arthashastra. This is something we have not seen before the days of the Mauryas.